Mana Tropicale. Imagine yourself in the midst of lush gardens and gently swaying tall trees. Inhale fresh air emanating from fully grown trees of mahogany that surround your home. Moving into your own home is one of the biggest decisions you would make in your lifetime. Your home is much more than just carpet area or square feet. It is a place where you long to come back to whenever you are away. At Mana Projects, we engineer elegant solutions right from the drawing board to reality. Only the best architects are commissioned to build our homes. We have over 15 years of experience and employ a 1,500 plus member workforce. We have a 100% track record of on-time delivery. Mana Projects has received world-class credentials in quality and has been certified with ISO 9001, CREDAI Bangalore and IGBC. Your home is where you and your family can breathe healthy every day. Balance your energies with positive activity and replenish your lungs with fresh air. The light through hundreds of trees make a kaleidoscope of ever-changing dancing images. Reconcile with the joys of connecting back to nature amidst plush green gardens, far away from stress and pressures of your daily routine. Home is where your family is not confined. Children are free to run wild. Work out in our open-to-sky gym or unwind with a book on a tropical hammock. A kilometer-long nature trail can be where you spend your me time. As you feel the cool breeze through the dense foliage, imagine cooling off with a dip in the pool, savoring the good things in life. Mana Tropicale is packed with every amenity and facility. Experience true luxury. Mana Tropicale is an award-winning project. It has been awarded as the most admired upcoming project of the year at the Asian Real Estate Leadership Awards in Dubai. It is a place that brings the tropical vacation to you all year round. With more than one tree for every apartment, experience fresh air right in your living room, while the colorful display of nature spills into your landscaped backyard. Mana Tropicale offers you a place to escape from the city into an oasis of greenery. Hear violins playing in the air as you share a moment with that special person you love. Mana Tropicale offers you a home. For more details, visit manatropicale.in or call us on 7676760014.